Hello everyone, this is Kirti Vasan. In this lecture, we are going to analyze the frequency modulation wave and the phase modulation wave by varying certain values like Fc, Fm, beta. And by simulating, we can see the wave characteristics of both the waves. We know that frequency modulation is defined as change of frequency of carrier wave with respect to amplitude of the carrier wave, and it is mathematically denoted as S of t equal to AC cos 2 pi f ct plus beta sin 2 pi fmt. Here beta is denoted as modulating index and it is equal to del f by fm. Fc is denoted as frequency of carrier wave and fm is denoted as frequency of message signal. Next one is phase modulation. We know that the phase modulation is defined as change of phase of a carrier wave in accordance with the amplitude of the carrier wave, and it is mathematically written as S of t equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus beta cos 2 pi fmt. Here the major difference between frequency modulation and phase modulation is beta sin 2 pi fmt will come in frequency modulation, whereas in phase modulation beta cos 2 pi fmt will come. In case 1, let us take AC equal to 2, FC equal to 11, FM equal to 1.1 and beta equal to 4. Generally, frequency of carrier wave is always greater than the frequency of message signal. Here let us take FC is greater than FM by 10 times. Substituting the values of AC, FC and FM and beta values in the frequency modulation equation, we get the waveform like this. And by substituting those values in the phase modulation equation, we get wave like this. In case 2, by keeping Fc, Fm as constant and changing beta equal to 4 for frequency modulation and beta equal to 8 for phase modulation, let us analyze the wave characteristics. By substituting the beta value equal to 4 in the Fm equation, we get the wave look like this. And by substituting the beta value equal to 8 in the phase equation, we get wave like this. Here a little gap is present in between the frequencies. The phase modulation wave and the frequency modulation wave looks more or less same by changing the beta values. In case 3, by keeping beta values as constant and changing Fc and Fm values, let us analyze the wave characteristics of frequency and phase modulation. By changing the values of Fc and Fm as 6 and 0.6 respectively in the frequency modulation equation, we get the wave as like this. And by changing the values of Fc and Fm as 10 and 1 respectively in the phase modulation equation, we get the wave as like this. Finally, let us conclude that by varying certain values in phase modulation and frequency modulation, the number of significant sidebands increases while the total average power of the sidebands plus carrier remains constant. This is why waves look like compressed in certain places and expanded in certain places. Thank you for watching.